The test of a good mission statement is whether it is fully embedded in the culture and everyday practices of an organization. It's a public declaration, an organizing principle, and a commitment reflected in the actions of all its people. It answers the question, for what purpose does Georgia Tech exist? It's a foundational element of success, clearly articulating the goals, values, and responsibilities of the Institute. An unwavering point of guidance in the collective vision for Georgia Tech. Yellow Jackets, this is our mission.
The Georgia Institute of Technology is a public research university established by the state of Georgia in Atlanta in 1885 and committed to developing leaders who advance technology and improve the human condition. Our motto remains progress and service. This is the statement of our mission. This is what we are about. This is Georgia Tech.